There's a verse in Hosea that says, "My people die for lack of knowledge," and I actually saw that lived out in Africa. I was privileged to be able to serve on a foreign mission assignment with my church for 3 years, and that experience sort of was the molding clay that God used to help me understand that I really wanted to be about health education and helping to address the health disparities that I see.
We actually hired her without a face-to-face interview because she was so qualified and outstanding. So her first day that we met was her first day at work.
Everybody deserves the opportunity to know life-saving information. And so the Lay Health Promoter Program trains volunteers from the low-income neighborhoods who then turn around and teach and share that information that they learn with other people.
I was hired by Crossover 5 years ago to work alongside Marilyn, and when I came in the front door for my interview, she hugged me like I was an old friend. A lot of the folks that Marilyn touches have never had an opportunity to finish something, and as they finish the program, it has empowered them to the point of going on with their education, and I think that's an impact that has no end.
I've worked at Crossover for 22 years, and Marilyn has been there for a large part of that. Her positive outlook and perspective has kept me going. It's motivated me to be deeply committed to Crossover, and it's just been a pleasure and encouragement to work with her.
You don't have to be a healthcare professional in order to save lives. Lay Health Promoters are doing it every day, and I get to be a small part of that, and I love it.
I can remember the story of a Lay Health Promoter who was working with a Sudanese refugee who was becoming very, very sick, and she directed him to our clinic, and the man was in complete renal failure and had to be admitted to the hospital and start on dialysis, and she, clearly saved his life.
One of the very best things about my job is the fact that it allows me to know and interact with some of Richmond's very finest people, and I really believe that that's who Lay Health Promoters are.
As she's out there training others in healthy lifestyles, she's not only making a difference in their lives, but in a difference in the entire community.
I am just so humbled and so grateful for that opportunity. For me personally, to be able to give someone something of value and then for them to turn around and give that valuable thing away, that's very humbling, very gratifying. That's the passion of my heart.